today I thought I would show you some brand new felties that I brought from Nicola over at Enchanted Sparkles. They are so cute, and this is her new packaging. So look how cute that is with the rainbow. Obviously I did open this to check what it was, because obviously crazy impulse spending. I tend to buy a lot and get to the point where I completely forget what I've actually brought. So here is the super cute little baggie that they all came in, and I sort of went ice cream mad, and obviously as you can see there's a few bumblebees in there as well. So let's have a look at them all and maybe make some stuff. We shall see. So, and I think she sent me a free gift because I don't remember ordering the daffodil, but again, cat impulse brain, we never know. So I got these two different types of bees. There's like the shiny one and like the glitter, and then I got the lollipops all in sets of 2. So I've got the ice creams. I'll just sort them all so we can see them properly, and then the lollipops, because I thought I could make some like snap clip sets. There we go. So here they all are. Yep, you can see them all, just double checking. So like I said, I got these super cute shiny bees. So adorable. Then we've got the glitter bees, again, so cute. And the little yellow lollipops. And the pink lollipops, and the lollipops with sunglasses on. And then I got these 2 shiny versions. So I got the like yellow metallic and pinky metallic versions, and then I got the one with sprinkles in the cream like leatherette, then the pink sprinkles in the glitter, and blue with the sprinkles, and yellow just felt with the sprinkles. Now you do occasionally get little bits of embellishment thread on the back of these, but you can just take your scissors and trim them like that. It takes 2 seconds. So before I add them onto anything, I just do that, but don't go too deep, just cut the excess. Don't do anything more than that, because you don't want to sort of cut them open and have your threads come loose. So there you go. That's how quickly you can tidy them up. And I don't know which one. I think we're going to do these shiny pink metallic ones. And I'm going to make some snap clippies. If we've got the right size snap clips as well. It'd be just my luck that I don't, but we'll see. So we're going to take these ones. Let's put these all in the bag, because again, cat brain. If I don't, I'll misplace them later and completely forget where on earth I've put them, and then that'll be a tragedy for everyone. So let's go in my snap clip drawer. And I actually have a decent sized one to add them to, so that will work. And let me grab some felt circles. And again, another area of my crafting room. And I'm just going to get 2 felt circles. And with it being felt on felt, this is super simple to do. All I do is you want to cut a slot towards the end of your thing, and what I do, I can find that slot, so fold it upwards, pop that through, and then fold your circle upwards so it goes up to the top like this, and I'll show you again on this one. So you want to take your circle, and these are 2cm circles. I buy them in bulk from like eBay. You can get like 1,000 or 100 for like £2, £10, depending on how many you buy at a time. So you cut the slot at the base, turn it so it's facing this way. You want to take this bit of the clip so it goes through, and then you push your circle up through the clip. So you create this as basically your base. And you want to make sure that your circle's smaller than your felty. Okay, and then I add a bit of glue to this bit. Here, and then you can pull that down and glue it. And then we can glue this side of our felty, and this is what will grip to, well, the circle. And this is what will grip to our little lollipop felty. There you go. Nice and secure. Super, super simple. Again, touch your glue this side. And like I said, my method is probably a bit different to other people's, but this is just how it makes sense in my brain. Don't do the glue too far around the edge of the circles, because you don't want it to leak out and go on your clip. Let me just check. So I'm going to do this one this way so they can be worn in opposite directions. So there you go. Got a super, super cute ice cream snap clip set, and they are absolutely adorable. And I know Nicola's actually working on even more options on these, so they are absolutely perfect for summer, and like I said, great for like an ice cream theme bow boxes, like little extras or add-ons to sort of go with your themes. So thanks for watching, bye!